Hey, traders. Welcome to Turnaround Tuesday for stocks, not for crypto, where many gaps were filled. We talked about the gap yesterday, the gap down, and it was like not a big deal, and where you could see those gaps fill, and they have. We're talking about index funds and individual equities too. So one thing that didn't happen until after my stream yesterday was Bitcoin breaking below $30,000. I mean, your first candle low close below $30,000 since, wow, on the 4 hours since January 2nd. Wow, dude, talking over 7 months of lows right now, right? I mean, that's exactly what happened on the 4 hour. So no edge on the 4 hour, right? There's no like bullish the bullish divergence played out, meaning it underperformed, didn't happen. So bad, bearish stuff. Underperformance from bullish indicators, and I guess what we would consider a bearish trend, at least short-term, mid-term. And well, you got a couple scam wicks. And that's about it where we are right now. I mean, you're below like all discernible major supports except the wicks, the one wick from January 27th, January 22nd, and then there's that one wick low from January 4th that's all the way at 27,684. I mean, that's where you could be headed in time. So just understand you're now in dangerous levels. Oh, you're below levels that were critical, so that's why you would consider this kind of a danger zone, right? Where like there could be tremendous amounts of more downsides below 30K. And that's just the area we've been monitoring for months now, like to no end. So you've got TA respected now on the 12 hour, right? The partial rise confirmed. 70% chance of a breakout, and it's happened. You have broken out, right? If anything, you'd say the range bought the lowest of low of the bottom was May 19th. So on the 12 hour, wow, you're finally oversold for the first time since May 23rd. Not really a big deal. More downside seems very possible below 30K. That's it. I mean, is the analysis changed any? No, it's the same thing. I'm here like every day. So right, we haven't technically truly tested. Actually, we did, man. Wow. For 12 hours today, Bitcoin has tested and failed to break $30,000. So what was once resistance for 12 hours today has been confirmed as resistance again, at least for now. God. I hate to, real depression hours with Mitch Ray. I can't really help the way, the price action's going. All we can do is just identify the things occurring and correlation of price action to trend lines and support resistances. So not so good there either. Go to the daily. Daily, you are 1 hour 48 minutes from your lowest candle close since January 1st. Happy New Year, everyone. Happy effing New Year. Unfortunately, on the oscillators, they look bad. I mean, they look real bad on the daily. Talking like negative momentum building. Negative momentum today is at its highest level since May 29th. No chance for triple MACD bullish divergence with what's going on right now. Nope. So that hopium's gone. You're not oversold. Dipping deeper into the bearish control zone. Yesterday you were sitting around 38. You're now at 34. Guess what? You could keep dumping until you're oversold. So you see what I'm saying? You reject 4 times a trend line, RSI trend line that goes back to the beginning of the year. Now you're at the same price you were at back here too. Dude. Get right, crypto. So 24.5, I mean, is kind of like your target for the CME gap fill. And it kind of lines up with some consolidation that occurred in late December around Christmas time. But that's not even really support. I mean, the real discernible support is around $20,000, where it's your old all-time high from 2017. It's also an area that you've tested as resistance before December 2nd, November 22nd or so. So that's just talking about technicals. It was a straight line up. So what can happen if you fall below it? No support resistance, straight line up, you can go straight down. How many times have we seen that? A million times. I mean, look at the between 30K and 40K. How many straight up, straight down, straight up, straight down, straight ups do we have? Straight down, straight up. Straight down, straight up, straight down. Then the partial rise. God. So, yeah. Bleak stuff, dude. Total market gap below that 1.2 trillion, that low from May 23rd, right? Probably headed down to 1.08, 1.13 trillion again. Sorry, it's visible on the daily on 4. Right, that's probably where you're going again, man. And it's the same situation on the oscillators on the daily, unfortunately, that you have on Bitcoin, which is like combination for bad things. Bad things can happen. Bearish things can occur the way it looks right now. So negative momentum just building, you know. Can you hear me? Audio good? And we got 10 days till the monthly close. Got a while for the weekly close too. Music's so good. All right, thank y'all. So that's it, man. I mean, do you really want to look more standard MACD? No personal tweak besides the signal lines are turned off. Okay, no signal lines.
Hey man, curious if your MACD settings are standard or if you have a personal tweak on it.
Thanks, Meister. Oops. Here you go, dude. MACD signal lines are off. Inputs 12, 26, close 9. No simple oscillator signal on, they're off. Okay? Thanks for the TN. Much love. So, not good on Ethereum. Ethereum's hanging off a cliff, right? I mean, it's staring into the abyss. 1750, you break 1750, see you down at $1,400, 1420 to 1223. I mean, that's definitely where it's going if it breaks the support, which Bitcoin's already broke support. So if Bitcoin sees 24.5, you could almost literally bank on Ethereum seeing 1223 to 1420, the next little zone of consolidation that existed on the chart. All right, that's it. And it doesn't look good. I mean, it looks pretty bearish, like descending triangle behavior, hardcore, like almost undeniable bearish price action right now. Distribution, attempted rallies, lower highs, I buy a wall, absorption of remaining demand occurring, it seems, on Ethereum at this current time. Goodness gracious. Going back to the dark ages, the crypto dark ages. I mean, I would say that a lot of you watching right now probably remember the crypto dark ages, because the ones who don't remember the crypto dark ages have already quit this market and are not watching anymore. You know what I'm saying? So it's like, okay, y'all probably get it. Y'all are still watching. So, yep. But hey, man, you get real excited. You know, if you break the demand line, high probability of a lot of downside. Seems like it's almost terminal at this point. Down almost 2% today. Not as bad as Bitcoin, but negative momentum building, right? Bearish control zone. 35, 36. You know, you haven't been oversold since the COVID crash on Ethereum. Man, I hope I'm wrong. I mean, it's not even about me being right or wrong, right? Like, I'm not even trying to make a call here. I'm just looking at the psychology of buyers and sellers. And from what we've learned, what we know from studying psychologies of buyers and sellers, what, like, you know, highs mean, lows mean, higher highs, higher lows, lower highs, lower lows, same highs, right? And from what we know, it doesn't look good for upside. It looks like downside. But again, I hope that's wrong. For everyone's sake that's participating in this market, including my own holds account, right? But that's okay, dude. Let's look at Bitcoin volatility. Continuing to drop, down 0.56% every day it drops. Now we can see the BVOL rally if we get some sort of dumpage, right? Like a huge markdown, which seems very possible below 30,000. Now you get back above $30,000 on Bitcoin and you hold it, you back test it. It's going to be a lot more difficult. I'm going to have a lot less confidence in thinking it's going much lower. But for now, where it is below this 30,000 level, it looks bad. It looks like it's going down, right? When to buy? When the daily, 3-day, or weekly is showing us some sort of real, true, maybe possibly we could get it, classic bullish divergence. Seller exhaustion implied on significant time scales, with the 4-hour also showing us the same thing. All the time scales implying probability of upside next, and hopefully we'd be at some sort of support level that exists. Unfortunately, there's just not much of anything below 30K till 20K. God. What's up, Gar, dude? Yeah, I know you did. Good to see you in the chat. Some of y'all still here, dudes. I love it. Who's been watching since 2005? Who's been watching since 1987, dude? Okay, BVOL dumping. Bitcoin dominance, probably consolidating sideways, maybe going up some. Yeah, it did go up, didn't it? Yep. I mean, if this... Just think about it, dude. If Bitcoin's dumping, these altcoins are going to dump at an accelerated rate, meaning this probably will break upwards and see 50% market cap dominance and maybe 53%. Okay. When people lose confidence in the market, they tend to get out of altcoins rapidly. And it doesn't mean Bitcoin's doing well. It just means that, you know, it's easier to take, I don't know, people are just taking money out of altcoins and they're not taking out as much Bitcoin at the same pace. That would make this chart go up, right? The market could be just getting destroyed.
Hi, Mitch. Could you look at major move to the upside today with a significant pullback?
We'll look at Ka. We'll look at it, man. Thank you for the 10 super chat. As you can see, the criteria for request has literally got cut in half. Just because maybe Bitcoin's price got cut in half and there's no more demand for requests because no one trades equities anymore, I guess. So yeah, dude, that's right. We were in Grenada when the S went down in '83. That's right, dude. Remember what Bitcoin's price was at back then, dudes? Yeah, me neither. Okay. So that's like, I mean, what do you want to do? Oh, well, I mean, something that we've been looking at all the time. We'll look at it again. Hi. Welcome to Hex. Can I take your order? Hex that hit the third target of the trade setup and then lost 60% of its value at its lowest point today. It went down to 7.55 cents before rallying. It's now 13.2 cents. That's like blow off top stuff, dudes. This is the thing where it's like moves like that can usher in the end. It doesn't even matter where it's at, right? It's go up and down, but eventually this is where the corrections start. Okay, this type of move. Bitcoin did it in 2019, June 26, 2019. Same type of stuff. Oh, it's back up for now until it starts bleeding out again. Attempts to rally, makes a lower high. So, I mean, again, everything's okay, I guess, on it, for sure. It didn't technically break the demand line. It went to, like, it pierced through it for rallying. But, again, as the trader, you shouldn't give a crap about Hex anymore because you'd be completely exited at 18.8 pennies. And now you're just like sitting back and letting the dominoes fall, dude. Whatever. So people are going to say, it has something to do with something fundamentally. But maybe not. Maybe it's just people take profit at profit-taking levels, and there's not enough demand after the profit-taking for the asset to continue further on. And then it dumps. But yeah, it's going to be something, dude. It's going to be the Hex Ledger thing. Yeah, sure, dude.
Your analysis on TRWG would be much appreciated. Watching this one for a while. Please and thank you.
Mother John, thanks for the 10, dude. Thanks. Yeah, we'll look at it. That's right. Add it to the short list. So, I mean, for real TA, it's like, well, you held that demand line, you held the horizontal line support.
Hey Mitch, thanks for the request price reduction. Can we check out CHRUS? Do we have a breakout from a pennant?
I'm talking about real CHR? You talking about the S-Coin CHR egg? Which one, dude? Thank you. So I mean, you're technically okay. Literally technically. But again, I don't know how I'd feel about, wow, profit-taking levels get hit twice on the 4-hour. And then you measure from that last target to the lowest point today, 59.34%. I mean, that's just, wow, dude. I wouldn't be feeling good. But that's like pinpoint accurate, man. Just like here. This was the second target of the trade sub, doubled the top, 33% value lost, now 60% lost after profit-taking levels. This is cool. But yeah, it could just rally and keep on going, man, sure. But, you know, if you're just talking about trading and stuff and using patterns and trend lines and supports and divergencies and all that stuff, you know, you just wait. You're just waiting now. Waiting game. Right, didn't like double top up here. Triple topped almost. The lower high on the third peak. Okay, so above the 200 moving average on the 4, all is okay, I guess. You know, still making higher lows for now. Down 16.47%, more than pretty much anything that exists in crypto that I see right now. Okay, so that was like notable S-Coin. I mean, do you want? Let's look at Litecoin. You know, your other favorite S-Coin. It's back at the levels it hadn't seen since June 22nd, but really had not seen since Christmas. And that looks definitely, I mean, it's the lowest candle low close since Christmas, okay? Like your candle did not close at this level at 106 June 22nd. It closed at like 114. This is the lowest close. This is bad. This is like bearish behavior. This is like lower lows, lower highs, lower lows, lower highs. Right, look, a double top and then a third peak. On the third peak, you lower high, grows, just like BNB. So you break 106, you go to 96. You go to 80 after that. Probably gonna test that demand line down there at some point, $90. Dude, if Bitcoin goes to 24.5, I don't know where this thing's gonna end up. This thing's gonna get slaughtered. All the alts will get slaughtered for the most part, but so, okay, I mean, whatever, dude. Shoot, look at Bitcoin Cash, whatever, making the rounds. Terrible, dude. It looked terrible. It was the whatever, you know, the Stingray. Underperformed like everything else. Stable at 200 moving average dump. Lowest levels it's seen since January 30th. Really, January 28th. So, very bad. Once it breaks $383, it probably goes to $278. It will probably, if Bitcoin decides to dump from where it is right now, Bitcoin Cash has 30% downside potential once it breaks 383. So you better be careful. I mean, it either double bottoms here or it's going down a lot. So you can keep praying for your S coins, but no one may answer because your prayers were answered too well for the past year. I'm talking about an asset that went to 1630. Bullish trade setups be danged over and over and over. Unstoppable.
I still like WPG. I think you will too. Mainly the daily.
What's up, Ziggity? Thanks for the attendance. Sure, we'll look at it. All right, so let's switch gears, get out of the depression market, and go back into the, the one market that's not stopping even after yesterday. What a gap fill! Holy, what a gap fill! In the end, development of hidden bullish divergence on the oscillators on the 4-hour from the previous low to this higher low. They back tested May 7th high that we figured could happen. Tested it. Right, inverted hammer and gap fill. Now let's see if we can recapture the highs. But what a good start. Impending price action continuation applied on the 4-hour. Unreal. Just too good, man. Right, and this is the gap fill I'm talking about. We talked about it literally yesterday. Okay? Wow, so strong. Wow, what a whipsaw. Look at Dow Jones. It hits the bottom of the range, bounces, and then bullish harami going on. Candle open and close in between the previous candle. So this one didn't fill a gap. Probably going to fill the gap tomorrow or something, right? Very soon. 34,682 gap fill. And then by then you're probably going to run all the way back up to the top of the range. It's incredibly strong right now. Incredibly strong. NASDAQ composite gap fill. The gap fill. Remember yesterday, literally yesterday, talking about the back test of the old February high, the old all-time high consolidation you were in forever. You hit the 1372, you pull back, morning star reversal. Confirmed. So let's see if it makes higher highs, of course. You gotta see that, but that's a form of confirmation, a back test of a resistance for the first time ever. Right, broke out all-time highs June 22nd, but he had never back tested till yesterday. Nice. So let's see if the money printer will continue to go burr. Very well could. With that, I mean, look at the QQQ. NASDAQ 100, a gap fill, beautiful. Let's go Amazon, dude. Amazon chat. Amazon. Anyway, let's look at the Russell 2000. It's not looking too hot, but bullishly engulfed today. Bullish engulfing candle. Yesterday hit its lowest price since March 25th. But today is back up. There was no gap really. Back above that demand line. Incredible. Never even tested the 200-day moving average near the bottom of the range. Wow, that's strong, man. Real strong. So, I mean, a bullish engulfing candle is not a joke. It's very, very real. Covered the previous candle. That could signify that's bullish reversal stuff. Nice, man. So, again, like, real quick,
Can
what
you
you can
take
see.
a look at Cole?
Sure.
KSS, need your thoughts. Thanks for all you do.
Well, thank you, dude, for the support of the stream, dude. Thanks, man. And yeah, we'll look at coals, an ancient, not a fossil fuel, but a fossil store, right? Just kidding, because it's like prehistoric, like a dinosaur, dude. Thanks. So here is Amazon. If you can even believe what it did. Remember the confirmed partial decline, which is the inverse. This is Bitcoin right now. This is like the inverse of Bitcoin. Holy crap, chat. Do you notice this? Hold on a sec. Let me just. Something's going on. Let's pull like the 12 hours. I mean, it's way less candles and stuff, but for the sake of dude, it's like the same chart. It's like the same chart, man. Is it not like the same chart? You flip Amazon's chart over, and then here's Bitcoin's. Oh God, why is that not? Can you not see the color there? What the? Oh, these are like old set. Why does that happen? Old settings. So weird. Dude. Confusing, confusing. You can't see the wicks for some reason. That's why. There we go. A little better. Let me hide the Fibonacci here on Amazon so it looks cleaner. But that's kind of like what you're looking at here. Same thing. Amazon and Bitcoin. So that's not good, dude, right? Amazon looks like it's about to go to 4,200 in time. Added to my position today based on that. That's what magnetism is. I wanted a confirmation back test. I got it, dude. Look at the bearish divergence, how it played out, but it's pathetic. Now, of course, it could just dump and fall back down. I mean, I'll be happy until it falls below 3180. You know, makes another higher low. Give me a 3 rising valleys or something. Tips not going through. Brad, are they maybe talking about the Michael? I don't know how that's possible because we got people tipping. We have like 5 different tippers today, Michael. I'm not sure, dude. Sorry. What the heck? Can someone confirm or deny that? It's really weird, dude. So anyway, thinking eventually 4,200 on Amazon. What a very significant thing to occur today on a daily time scale. Love Amazon's chart, but you know that if you've been watching this stream, right? Paying attention, it's like just. It's been looking good, dude. And guess what's happening on the 4-hour? Look at this, chat. 4-hour hidden bullish divergence at a major inflection point. That's what you want. This is what you want to see for upside. Beautiful. So everyone caring about Bitcoin should start caring about Amazon, which is showing us buying signals. Really nice ones, dude. All right, dude, that's it. That's as far as I can go with it. Apple had a good day today. I think it filled its gap too. Gap fill. So talking about, hey, you have a daily candle close back above 145, which was the old high from January 25th. Very good, very good. Reacted probably 113% retrace from that previous high to low. 113%. That's okay. Probably still heading up to the 160s eventually in time, especially if what's been happening will continue to happen. All right, in terms of just taking back over. Yeah, Bitcoin continuing to slide. And you can't be surprised, chat. If we wake up and Bitcoin's down another $4,000 to $5,000, imagine being surprised about it. I mean, how long are we going to talk about partial rises on daily 12-hour time scales and the oscillators, how awful and abysmal they look on the daily? You just can't be surprised. So, but hey, you know, we wake up and Bitcoin's somehow back above 30K. Hey, we're still in this thing. It's not over yet. Because you have broken out bearishly already now. So Amazon looking pretty good. Amazon looking amazing. Apple's pretty freaking good, getting back out. Just looking at the 4 drivers. Got Google, kind of unstoppable, man. Just skating along. A lot of bearish divergence. But it's not dumping. And here you go. Here's Microsoft, still at that major inflection reversal point. Catching a reaction, certainly, at the 1.618 of extension. But, dude, I mean, if growth is, like, I think, what is it? if bonds keep dumping like this, it's really good for growth. So like if they keep dumping, then I don't know how this plays out. This is a bearish, extremely textbook bearish structure in a very hyper bullish trend. So it wouldn't be that surprising if it did get invalidated and it kept running. But this is exactly where, like, say you were in a bear trend, right? And this pattern presented itself, the bearish 3 drives, this is exactly where one will be going short, like up here. So you clearly see it's reacting, but it's not really dumping yet or pumping yet. Major 2618 fib extension as well, back from the COVID crash, low, high to low, pre-COVID to post-COVID, high to low. So you're just at a major inflection point, dude, way up here, and nothing's really happened yet.
Noise! My bad, I had to send it on here. Also,
Dang,
can
man.
we take
Sorry,
a look at
dude.
Square on the weekly?
That's what the problem is. I have no idea then. Everyone's been super chatting, you're right. Wait, I think Egg tipped me $10. Via tipped me $10. They used actual stream elements. Michael, dude, I'm sorry, dude.
Noise!
What's up? S Hunt, dude. Thank 4488. Thank you for the 1337s, dude. Much love. No message, just send in a contribution to support the stream. 100% crowdsource stream, right? No ads, no sponsor, affiliate marketing, sponsorships, anything like that. So, thank you, dude. Really weird. I have no idea what to do about stream elements if it's down though. Look at it, dude. I mean, this is you target, right? Bearish 3 drives from the bottom of the pattern to the top, and the 618, the major 618, the whole structure. Isn't it crazy? 618s, 1618s, and then the target's a 618. It's 618ception. It's beautiful. It's golden, golden ratio, golden mean ratio, smorgasbord. What is bearish 3 drives? It's just a bearish pattern, and you use Fibonacci to determine the reversal points. It's where, like, you're literally looking at one where it starts down here, you know, January 14th, it rallies, makes a peak, then reverses, loses 61.8% of its value from that previous low to high. And at that level, that 618, it reverses and rallies and runs up from the previous high to low, 1.618, 161.8%. And then it reverses there, and then it runs down to a 61.8% retrace from the previous low to high, 61.8. And it reverses and rallies one more time, the third valley, or the third peak, right? From the previous high to low, it retraces an extension to 1.618, 161.8%. And then that is the reversal. 1, 2, 3, rule of 3. This is where a reaction reversal occurs. And it hasn't really happened yet. It kind of violated it a little bit, but it's still kind of in a very interesting level. That's why I haven't gotten rid of it. It's still there. I mean, but again, you know, you're trying to trade a bearish pattern in hyper bullish conditions. It's not easy. It can be unreliable. What's up, Anonymous?
Is that a joint?
He tested, and he tested positive for stream elements working. Thank you, dude. Much love. So, top gainer on the S&P 500 today was Simon Property Group. They got wrecked though yesterday. It was one of the worst performers yesterday. But look, did it hit some sort of support resistance? Wow, look what SPG did, dude. Yesterday, went and pierced kind of through a February of 2007 high. It tested it, held it, and then today filled the gap. So all is well. Still making higher highs, higher lows. There wasn't, I mean, it's kind of like, dang, man. Turnaround Tuesday was very real. So that was just regarded as support, and it held. So great news for the uptrend for SPG. It could continue because of that price action. So FPS staying, thanks for the 2. Tried to tip to check for you, and it didn't work. I'm sorry, I don't know what York means. Thank you. DK, thanks for the 333. What's up,
Office 24 tipped $23.20. Good evening, Mitch. 4 shares of knock for your bag. Would you look at bot on the daily and weekly?
Yes.
I think it's at a critical point to reverse with hidden bullish divergence on the weekly MACD and bullish divergence on the daily. But would like your opinion.
Yeah, I think we looked at that a couple days ago. A few days ago, you requested it. We'll check back on it. Thank you, man. Unless I'm mistaken. You'll add to the list. Thanks to the 2320. You still value my contribution, or you still value my analysis the same amount. So, Kings, dude. Okay, that was just the top gainer today. Philip Morris, worst gainer today. It done, man. Ooh, interesting level though. It's really like here. You got all kinds of support resistance. So Philip Morris, man, this one probably gonna go back to 91 to $92 to test old levels as support. What a run it's been on. Look at this X, A, B, C, D. It's not deep enough. I mean, eventually you think this could go to 115 to make a huge bearish cipher or something, but it's never back tested $92. Like literally ever. It's always been a resistance.
Still here, bro. Never give up.
So
Never surrender. Can we look at Boyle, a legendary setup smile?
thank you TSLA for 1337. Thanks for still being here and never giving up, man. Much love. I appreciate it. Kings, dude. I don't know. Getting through the grinds, the slow times, the down times, I don't know, makes the up times something you can appreciate much more. And when you're at the top of the mountain, you can think back on the grind. And it's something you can romanticize and cherish. Therefore, when you romanticize something like that, the next time it comes around, you can remember, right, what you went through, and it can help get you through the next time that is down. Because even when you're at the top of the mountain, this soon shall pass. When you're at the bottom of the valley, this soon shall pass. Whew. Anyway. So never in history has Philip Morris back tested $91, $92 as a support. It's always been a resistance. So the fact that it sold off today is very interesting. I wonder if we ever back test it, you know? Probably just like a little zone here. But I mean, I'm just looking at the inflection. Like, look at the inflection from 2016, 2018, 2019, look, 2014, 2013, and then initially 2012.
Let's look at Dash, not the crypto.
Matthew Treat, what's up, dude? Thanks for 10, man. J-Mob, tip via stream elements didn't go through. What's going on? Matthew Treat just tipped. Matthew Treat just tipped through stream elements, literally right now. So, what are we supposed to... What am I supposed to do about that, man? It's working for some people, it's not working for others. Go. Okay, so, you know, top gainer, top loser, golds, real quick. Check out gold, still fine, still hanging in there, didn't do anything the past 2 days, really, sideways. I mean, it did test the 200-day moving average as resistance again, gross.
He was just me, brother. Lowell, wrong card.
Wrong card. No, it sounds like it's a problem for everyone else. J-Mob said he tipped PS3 modes, it didn't go through yet. Oh, he said yet, so it might still go through. Thanks, man. Bitcoin down? Oh, because I thought that was what you were talking about, where it was like the one up coin has had problems where I have to go in and reset things, but no one's tipped via crypto today. So anything above 1750, 1800 on gold is extremely nice, right? And it could take months, but dude, one does not simply ignore a potential inverse head and shoulders pattern this large in a multi-year uptrend. And the right shoulder is well above the major inflection point from 2011, 2012. Anything above that, man, you are golden on gold. So that's like, if anything, you just monitor that, and that's your lipids test on bullishness, bearishness. Okay, looks good. This is someone I newly discovered, and I freaking love them, man. Like, I've been just binging them all day. The band's called Sleeping Pandora. It is absolutely incredible music. Yep.
Another test. Thanks for all you do, Mitch. Much appreciated.
Is that a joint?
Thank you, Daniel H, for 420. Kings, man. Thanks for his other joint, man. Elon, be proud. Yeah, dude, where's Jeffy? Dude, it's Heffy. It's Heffy. That's how you say it, man. Where's Jeffy at, dude? I don't know. Jeffy's somewhere in the stratosphere out there doing things. All right. Yeah, I figured this would be Jeffy season. Jeffy season is coming back. China buying record levels of gold right now, too. So, new composite operator adding to this $10 trillion market cap. Okay, gold, silver, man, not good, dude. Just dumping again. So it's at the next support, breaking kind of a demand line here. You're back at the support from 2013. Really not good, because if you don't hold this, you could come down and test $20 again. It's not looking good. Gold looks better than silver now. Yep, it flipped. The flippening of technicals, how technicals, one can look better than the other, and now I like gold a lot better than silver at this time. Now, I mean, you really got to hold this, dude. Silver's got to find a way to bounce off of this level, otherwise it's going to be a rainy night for this precious metal, dude. Fitting music. What's up, PK, man? Yeah, Brad, that was the one. That was the first song I ever heard by them. And I played it on the intro yesterday's stream.
PK Super chatted $31.71 for the fitting music. Heart.
Thanks for the hearts. 3171 super chat, man. Kings, dude. This is the largest contribution of the day. XOU to the XAG has been pumping. Yeah, dude, yeah. So the performance to gold is, yeah, it's out now outperforming silver. Yep, not good, dude. And probably not good for platinum either. Still, I mean, despite anything, at least platinum's above a critical ice line. 1032, 1050. Hold that and you're fine. Okay. All right, go all the way back, dude, to... I mean, it's visible 2006, right? That's what it's got to hold. And it's major, dude. It's so much support resistance there, dude. It's already tested it once and bounced resoundingly, so... you think if gold does well that this would do okay, too. So, anyway, metals all the way. Some equities, we looked at them, but now we got some requests on the docket. Again, that request amount has been reduced by half for the conditions. Who knows when it'll go back up again. Let's see, first request. Oh yeah, healthcare kind of killed it today. Did you see HCA? Oh my god. What a monster. Literal beast. Yeah, CAH. At a very, very critical spot. Okay. Dang, man. I gotta go. This thing goes back far. Alright, so I guess we go to the weekly on CAH first so you can see what's going on. But this is tremendous. Tremendous, man. It's really right here. All those touches back from 2001, 2004, 2006, 2007. Okay. Look at these, look at the inflection point, man. I mean, just like over and over and over again. You're above that. Anything above that is stupidly bullish. Today you did, or this, your weekly's working on a bullish engulfing candle. Momentum has shifted, right? Low, lower low, lower low, then like lowest low, COVID crash low, then higher low, higher low, higher low. A lot of rounding action. I mean, a little too jagged, but it's almost like rounding bottom price action on CAH. It's actually a really good looking chart. All right, based on everything. So like this level right here is visible on the daily. Yeah, that's what it's just bouncing up against that 59.50. But I think this is how one could like set a position trade really well. I mean, like that's, you don't want anything to do with CAH below $55. Right, because look what happens to the asset when it falls below $55. It goes down to, you know, $38 to $40, like easy. Right there. This the zone. So it is working on breaking out. Like, this is either gonna reverse here and go back down to the bottom of the range, or it will be breaking out soon, and then it will have a huge, massive markup to test the next level where there's been price action. Do you see what's going on? Can you see, chat? So it's really not like lowest risk area, but dang man, really easy to strategize your stop loss, right? So you just think about CAH on the weekly position trades. Yeah, this is something you just hold. You're just in it, okay? Look at that, 4.05 to 1 reward to risk, and you barely even have to think about it, right where it is. Another thing on the weekly that's in development and may change, but dude, look right here locally, from this previous low from February to the new low you're developing above the 200-week moving average, above the 200-week moving average for the first time really since 2017. You're showing hidden bullish divergence. CAH, what a request, man. Things turning around for this asset on like everything. Dang, man. Let's go. Subjock. Oh wow, literally tips $1 more than PK to be the session top Jesus. Let's go, dude.
$31.72. Let's take a look at CCL.
Dude, is my voice echoing? No way. Is it just kind of the echo from the room? It's not like the equalizer is echo, right? It's just the room. All right, we're good. Yeah, Bitcoin seeing its lowest price on this 4-hour candle right now. And I'm telling you, dude, you just can't be, at this point, you can't be surprised if we see 24.5. The partial rise is real. It's done. It's happened. Fear not. For it is early in the day for Bitcoin. Do you understand why this is such a good look? Now, it could come back down to $55 and it's like gonna be a lower risk, but it's just back tested and held. Healthcare has been doing really well because this whole COVID variant stuff. I mean, like, it just depends where, do you want to take profit at another, just a level where you've seen reversals and then you just layer out like that and just exit at the all-time high? If it's happened, I mean, that might be the safest way to look at this. I mean, that's perfect, dude. The weekly. But it has not broken out. So at the same time, this is exactly where reversals to the downside could occur. So you just got to think about it. Man, how did it all start? Bullish cipher, shark cipher right there. So it all depends, man, on the breakout. Will it break out or not? Well,
Can we look at the God stock dollar GME that has only made higher lows since April 2020?
Hagegi, yes, man, thank you.
Can we check out Fami Farming Incorporated? There might be a double bottom going on with a nice gap fill.
Cody, yeah, thanks, man. Sorry about that ping. I'll get the publication. I don't know what happened.
Black. Thanks.
So Danny, thanks for the 11. Yep, sure. Add a list. Oh my god, dude. Here we go. Alright, that was the first request I just did. Not sure how I feel about this one. Grow generation. I mean, certainly at some level of support resistance. Yeah. Man, it's like that, really. Yeah, it's here, oh sorry. Here we go. So you can see the price. Yeah, I mean below the 200-day moving average now, unfortunately, not showing bullish divergence on the daily. Bouncing off a high from November of last year. Holding, I don't really see much of a harmonic. I mean, you could try to argue as shark or something, but it could go to 33.20 and maybe be a lower risk. But it's just one of those situations where it's a high, it's a lower high, it's another lower high, it's now another lower high. But hey, maybe another higher low. So price contraction. Let's see how it holds. I mean, it's kind of how you could look at it, but I don't know if I would be longing it. Pot stock, right? After what Tilray did, I don't know. I mean, that's a way to look at it. That's the way I would analyze it, but I don't know if I would go long on it because there's no edge, right?
$16K in the making ready.
Thank you, Marbob. Well, if it happens, so be it. If it happens, it happens, man. Let's talk about 24.5 and then 20K, because CME gap fill and then real support after that. So let's not talk about 16K. There's no point, because you have to blast through and break other supports first. All right, we've been talking about 30K forever, and then we started talking about 24.5, and now we're talking about 20K, but we're not talking about anything below 20K. Struggling over here today, dude. All right, that's GRWG, stuck in a range, could go to 33.20, be at the bottom of the range, but it's still at a high. It's back tested successfully and held a high from November of 2020. That's it. That's your GRWG. Oh yeah, it's CHR to USDT that is hitting a resistance and has not broken it, right? It's failed for 4 of the past 5 days. It's failed to break that resistance back from March 25th of this year. Not making higher lows, kind of trying to make a higher high. So above the 200-day moving average, which is nice. But if Bitcoin goes to 20K, I just don't see how this thing holds up, right? It's in a correction. It's lost a tremendous amount of its value, but it doesn't mean it can't go and eventually test a much stronger support, 8 cents, eventually. So it's just butting up, and it has not been able to break a resistance. So I'm not saying that there's no active trade at this current time on CHR. Yeah, but I mean, there was kind of like a bullish bat there that it caught reaction and it rallied, you know. But the macro is just not good right now. Alright, next one. Oops. Oh yeah, we've been here before. Washington Prime Group. For old Ziggy man. Mainly the daily, he says. Here's your 4 hours, we were looking at. Hey, it finally made it back down there, I guess. It did it, man. No edge on the 4 hour. Daily. Look at that, almost going positive. If it's gonna reverse, it's here probably. I mean, right? Based on history. Dude, imagine, right? Like just FOMOing in on this one candle from June 14th, and then look what happens every single effing day after. It just bleeds out right back to the bottom. Yeah, so low risk. This chart is whack, man. But it's there, right? If one was to take a trade, that's normally the lower risk areas where they take their trade, but this asset's history is very suspect. Very. All it does, all right, it's a inverse money printer. It's a money stealer. All it does is make lower highs, lower lows, lower highs, lower lows. It gets stuck in a range for a long time, and then it eventually does what? It eventually breaks that range, but never to the upside, only to the downside. So that's what you got going for you on Washington Prime Group. Imagine having this type of price action in one of the most bullish trends in history of the stock market. Go. All right, next one. Been a while since I looked at this one. Oh, no memory of this place. It got purged. Added. Wow. How about Coles, dude? Coles in the middle of a range. Let's go. That's the way you look at this. Range-bound asset that is literally at the midpoint. And it just rallied, since October last year. It went up 244% in 210 days. That's like a percent a day. It's like Napoleon Dynamite, but for percentage points. So obviously lowest risk entry for a long, $28.50. Lowest risk entry for a short, $78. When you're in the middle of a range, it's kind of a lot more difficult to strategize your stop losses, range-bound trading. So, there is this little very interesting inflection point that goes back to 2001, 2004, 2011, 2012. Maybe that gets held as support before rally again, but it doesn't ensure that it's going any higher than 60. So, and then it can just reverse there. So, I go to 78. So again, man, you want try to wait for the bottom of ranges, and you're in the middle. So tough to be like, wow, I'm so enthused about KSS. Keep it simple. Keep simple stupid. Coles. Thanks, man. Okay, so we got Square on the weekly that is in the midst of bullishly engulfing. Bullishly engulfing because of the nasty gap down yesterday, but what a recovery today. It's funny, Square, say the weekly close today, be the highest weekly close since April 26th. Strong, super strong, and probably going to the top of the range again. 277.75
Still
target.
learning, but wondering what you think of Ader.
Ader. Chaz, probably know about water, but not Ader. We'll add to the list. Thanks, man. Good Tim. So you asked for the weekly. Here's the weekly. Yes. Look at this. You haven't seen positive momentum on the weekly since February 16th. Square is super strong. Super duper strong. Yeah, look at it, well above that 200-day moving average. It was so strong yesterday, it couldn't even go test the 200-day moving average. A little bullish hammer action, a little gap fill, beautiful. See it 277.75 eventually if these market conditions stay the way they are. Square, baby. Bullish convergence and development. Real nice. Yeah, Ader, Gator, that's right, dude. Michael, thanks, man. Why am I muted? Holy crap. Okay, so I was saying, let me start over. I'm reversing. I'm rewinding myself. Okay, Vaughn, yeah, you requested this one, dude. Hi, everyone. You requested this one and did not, and we were like talking about a bear trend, talking about a bearish Gartley, and it's like you don't ignore that. If anything, you just wait till it gets to inflection point. It seems as though it has finally achieved that inflection zone. So it's at that the top of it, where it goes back to 2008, 2009. But you think it can't get worse? It can. It could go all the way down to $14 to go back to the 2002 level. If you're talking about Casey Stubbs targeting, the target is 1319. Second target's 1143. So what I hate about, I mean, they could be springing back tests in the spring for sure, man. But dude, what I just dislike so much about this asset is the trend it's been in for so long. All right, how do you even, are we doing this? It's hard to even anchor it. It's so whacked. Consecutive lower highs, lower lows, lower highs, lower lows, lower highs, lower lows since, my God, 2014. So, are we having any sort of divergence down here? Not really, not on the daily. Daily's trying to make a negative momentum is at its highest level right now, seen since April of 2020 COVID crash. Negative momentum, not even oversold yet, but at 33.8, so we're in the bearish control zone on a weekly time scale. Super gross, dude. Disgusting. But yeah, for sure. At a low risk area, but man, a bearish Gartley like that. Look at that 200-week moving average. You're still below it. It's still down sloping. It's still so ugly,
Hi.
even if it's at this level.
Look at knock.
What's up, Anonymous? Thanks for 10. Yeah, we'll add it to the list. My man. Sorry, dude, this friggin' siren's going off. Okay, so guess what? Yep, Boyle, natural gas, double bottomed in April. Gap fills. The second gap has been achieved. Wow. There was upside, there was more upside, and it's up exciting. It's up almost 7% today, up 1.42% after hours. Beautiful. So I think, I mean, based on the higher low and the shallower moderate B point, I think the target's eventually 45.83. Even we're talking about bad action magnet move breakouts, right? High probability areas of price action above the B point that goes to the 886 Scott Carney stuff. So that's target, but you know, because it's never making higher highs, higher lows. So I think that like a deep retrace is probably what you're gonna get. It's, you know, look at the last times it rallied high to low. You got a 618 retrace. You never even got a 786. So this is pretty good, you know. All it does, man. Sometimes you get crazy pumps, but they always manifest into lower lows. Always and forever. Till death do you part on natural gas. Lower highs, lower lows. So enjoy this while you can. This is really nice for a very bearish asset in the long term. Short term, incredible. Even on the daily, somehow showed hidden bullish divergence in the end. Super strong, man. So I think there's still more upside, but just remember, gap fills 22% of the time act as support resistance. So this could be a potential reversal area, but you think at least 42.87, if not 45.83, you're deeper, 786, 886 from previous high to low on Boyle. There you go, man. All right. Remember the dragon. It's the dragon. We remember, dude. That's right. It was on UNG though. It wasn't on Boyle, I don't think. So. Let's get into TS Elliott. Let's get to the dash, not the dash, the scrub crypto, but the door dash that bullishly engulfed yesterday. Hidden bullish divergence pretty much confirmed at this point. Where did it engulf bullishly? An inflection point from April and December. Look, in the end, man, it's now like it wasn't really that clear 2 days ago. Last week it wasn't clear. You needed yesterday and today. It was so market participants have helped prop this price up and keep it above inflection points. Very good. It's really like right there. Right there. That candle open, close, or open, candle open from December 21st, and then the high from April 27th. Just a little zone. Anything above that, I think you have a chance to run into 195. You break 195, 220. So, but at the same time, if it cannot hold above 167, it's a long way down to 135. It's all about the ifs, man. It's never been about certainties. It's always about, hey, if it holds that, which it seems like market participants did not want this asset to fall below 167. So you did hold it. There's always a chance it back tests the spring. It sprung, right? Opened this morning at 163.42, well below the zone of support resistance, but rallied back above it. So it was yesterday. Today, another higher high candle in the previous day's close. And again, you could always back test perfectly, or it could just go to 195.80. So not too bad on Dash. Hidden bullish divergence is a reality. From the previous low to this next low. I mean, almost on the RSI. It's like, you know, bullish convergence or Class C hidden bullish divergence, whatever. Not bad, dude. Matthew Tree, Pete guy. All right, next one. CCL. It was scary yesterday, but guess what happened today? A gap fill. This is what happens, Larry, when assets gap down, but the gap is not a breakaway gap. There's like a 67 to 70% chance of a gap fill sooner rather than later. Okay. Now you go back to $20. What is $20? Real. It's a very real thing. You go to this low from 2003. That was one on the weekly or something. I think that was it. $20. It holds. It's still above it. Very good. I think I understand why. This is like, sometimes like I'll know right out the gate, why did someone request this? Because they probably have identified a bullish, textbook bullish shark at the 88% retrace. We've caught a reaction at an 886 from the previous low to high, 88% retrace. 1.618 fib extension on CCL. Interesting development. Certainly no edge, unfortunately, at this level. That happens, man. But this is exactly where, if an asset's in an uptrend, which it's been in an uptrend since it bottomed out COVID lows, right? Higher highs, higher lows, that's certain. That's certainty that there's higher highs, higher lows going on since COVID crash, okay? If you're in an uptrend, this is exactly where reversals occur. 886s from the previous lows to highs. And it just happens to be an M-shaped formation. That's pretty nice. Above $20, 25 bucks. Or $24.50, that's like your next target. All right? CCL, nice. Bullish shark. Chat, you hear me? If you're enjoying the bullish sharks, hit that like button and bell, sub. Thanks. The chat is a lot quieter than usual tonight. No, dude. Based on everything that I see, chat is as dead as it's been for like a month and a half now, dude. Nothing's changed on my side for deadness of chat. No hype in the chat, okay? And that's okay, dude. But you're the one bringing it up. So I'm just telling you what I'm seeing. It's as dead as ever, man. Okay. CCL. Upside target, 2450, first one. Then 2850 to 2968. I think really this COVID variant thing is going to be the maker or killer, right? If the news subsides and it's not too bad, then that's it's been killing CCL, man. It's kind of like there's a new COVID variant, it's killing people. That's not good for travel. That's why like Clorox will reverse. That's why like a lot of defensive stocks have held up. Stay at home stocks have like boomed yesterday and didn't dump. So Ray Toshi, thanks, man. What's up? Kwai Truong, thanks for being here, dude. All right, CCL, pretty interesting. We got ourselves a bullish harmonic at the bottom completion zone. What's up, J-Mob? Die cut sticker, first aftermarket item added to the new M4. I'm guessing it will add at least 100 horsepower. Thanks for bringing a much needed hobby distraction to my life. We love you, bro. The love is mutual. J-Mob, man. Thank you, dude. Dude, if you have that on your M4, you better take pictures or it didn't happen. Thanks, man. Kangs. Our next one for Hageki Man. Imagine going GameStop with Godstock. I mean, I guess. Did it break a demand line of some sort? But, it held a inflection point. It goes back to nothing. It's only local. Oh, it's just that high from February. Engulfed bullishly yesterday. Followed the price action today. Hidden bullish divergence is becoming very, very, it's real. Hidden bullish divergence is like a real thing. I mean, it's almost completely, it's developed. Now all that has to happen is a pivot point, which is occurring, a pivot and a critical support. That high from January 25th, it pivoted there, and impending price action continuation implied, okay? So if it's gonna hold above 183.91, the target's 276.88. That's it, dude. That's literally GME. I hate it. It's a meme stock, but it looks better than any crypto that exists except maybe, before today, Hex, and maybe it looks better than Cream, actually, if you can even believe it. So, yep, somehow, some way, GameStop still in a very bullish trend. Accumulation occurring with a sell wall at 345, 276, depending on intraday price action, closes and opens, or closes and, again, intraday. So, yeah, accumulation. More people keep buying and owning this asset on GME than they did the previous times there was a low established. That is not happening in crypto. You understand that, right? Like, no one's adding to crypto positions based on looking at a chart, dudes. No one. On, like, any chart. Except maybe Hex. A little bit. And maybe kind of Cream. Okay, but yeah, GME, Hageki Man. I hate to be that guy, but it looks technically great. It's good. No problem, man. Alright, next one. Farmy. FAMI. Farmy Incorporated. Nearing all-time lows. It technically hit all-time lows at candle open, the daily open, April 29th, but has rallied. I mean, dude, let's look at the lifespan. It's nothing. It looks like it's terrible, dude. Lower highs, lower lows, lower highs, lower lows. But it's now found a bottom. I don't see any kind of structural development that sticks out as amazing. I don't see any bullish divergence. I think you caught a reaction at that level. And now you're just bleeding out. I mean, it could lose 20% of its value and could come back to spring, or back test the spring. Lose 20% of its value, you know. So for me, I don't really see a major level of support it's hitting and holding. It's not springing back, testing a spring of any sort right now. So I would just sit tight on this, or like not buy it. But that's just me. But yeah, I get why you requested it, because it's at this level of support. Man, imagine like finding an asset that's like been only making higher highs, higher lows forever, and only been making higher highs, higher lows forever, and then it was range bound forever, and then broke out, and then just today and yesterday back tested an old resistance at support. Imagine, dude, the possibilities. Oh, what are its fundamentals? Oh, you don't even need to worry about it. Okay. Anyway. Next one. LAC up 5% today. It was down, you know, it's been getting destroyed, but it's not over yet, okay? LAC, despite a stop loss or anything, I mean, anything above this $12 area is okay, man. You know, it could make an XABCD too. It maybe already did. Jeez, it could be. Is that a Garley? Don't even mess with me, man. Nah, it's too deep on B, so it's nothing. But I don't know. Above, what is it? Right here. It's this low that I had plotted right there. That low from March 5th. It's above that. As you can see, the price action correlation after it was created there. Again, April 20th. Look, again, May 24th, June 16th, 17th, 18th, 19th, 21st. Look at this. The 8th, you're back above it. Anything back above that's okay. Despite anything triggered already, it's above 1321. You can see what happens above 1321. Like minimum $15 to $15.60 every single time historically. Okay, that's a big deal, man. So if you thought LAC was dead, it's not quite dead yet. It's back from the grave, because the grave is 1321-ish, $12. All right. What's up, Wapiti era, man? I'm inverted. It's been a long time, man. A catalyst could wreck Bitcoin's prices. It probably will, dude. It'll probably be like, people will be like, it's not because Bitcoin technically broke below 30K and there's no support looking left. It has to be because of, oh, China somehow banned Bitcoin again or something. It excommunicated it from the church or something. Or it's like, if you own crypto, it's death for you or something, okay? So LAC's, okay, no harmonic has been violated yet. The violation of the harmonic is below like $12. Okay, yeah, FEYE is still holding those options, man. September expiration. I think I'll be okay. Composite operator, phase E on FEYE. It's beautiful, man. Phase E of white copper accumulation. Okay, there you go, Danny Hill. You're not dead yet. Next one. Oh god, he didn't misspell it. Oh my god, it's pretty interesting. I mean, it's interesting. Okay, but it's correcting. Composite operator had his fun with this. It's over. So like, you've just made your lowest low you've seen since December of 2020. But he's requesting it because he sees this inception level, right? The IPO price in June of 2019. It's being tested. It's being held right now. I think so. There's a little zone here. It's like that high, but there's also the high from 2019, also 2020. that hasn't tested yet, and that's kind of your inflection zone. For me, man, I'm starting to learn that like assets after huge buying climaxes like that are not the ones I like anymore. I'm not big on, I get it, it lost a lot of value, but still it could lose more value. Look, it's exceeding a 70% retrade. It could go down to 674, right? I could go test this low from December. It's starting to diverge though on the RSI. I get it, but it's a lower low. I don't know. I mean, like, we want to play with the composite, man. And I mean, I understand why you requested it. You could be diverging on the RSI, and you definitely are if this is the pivot point, right? That's real. But again, like, after buying climaxes, you have no idea how long corrections can last, dude. They can last far longer. And they can just keep rallying, making lower highs, and slightly sell off, and this liquidity dries up on it because there was so much liquidity, so much volume, and now in the correction, it's like Bitcoin, it's like crypto. You see what happened to crypto, right? I mean, you didn't have to trade anything but crypto for like 8 months, 9 months to a year because like there was so much liquidity, there was so much price action and volatility. The volatility's gone now in crypto. You can't really swing trade it right now. You can't be like identifying harmonic. That's just not working. It's just not, because the liquidity is not there. The volatility is gone. So it's the same thing that happens like on assets like this, that they have their crazy run-ups and their buying climaxes. Then liquidity dries up. And then it's just like nothing's moving the meter anymore. Okay, so, I mean, cool. Ethereum at a very critical spot. Yes, maybe diverging on the RSI, but definitely correcting. That's it, man. Next one. Oh, the next one's the last one. Wow, got through them. Thought I might have been bombarded. I mean, nothing to see here except bullish as F. Nokia doing Nokia bullish things. TA disrespecting itself every day now on Nokia. Wow, up 3.75%, 581. Target 640. After that, 866. After that, 1161. I mean, we're talking about a structure that is huge. A structure that will eventually play out into an entire trend reversal. Yes, Nokia is beginning the reversal of its overall trend, and it will become bullish now. That's what this harmonic is implying. Indestructible phones, that was why this and this. And now it will do that again, probably at some point in the next 5 years because of 5G and whatever. Candlestick, yeah, that's a 12D chess move right there. Kendall's talking about, dude, if Nokia is doing this, you might as well, we should all start working at Nokia, and then we like move up in the company all together over the next 5-10 years, and we get stock options in Nokia. And then when it hits like our profit taking levels, we then all quit Nokia together and cash out. Brilliant. Let's go, dude. Crap amount of coffee. I mean, I'm not, but my cup of coffee has been depleted. This stream's been live 1 hour and 30 minutes. Holy crap, where did the time go? This is what I'm saying. It's like, I'd rather just lower the request so I mean, y'all made it into a request show over the years, so it's kind of like, I mean, I used to do them like for free, but then it just started being like, yep, that's what the show is now, requests. And so when no one's requesting, I go live as long as about an hour and then it's done, looking over the markets and stuff. So retrace and go. How you doing, man? Time for beer. I did not drink this weekend. It's because y'all wrecked me so hard on I haven't not drank a drop of alcohol since Thursday. Whew. Since the games. I did not lose that game, by the way, because I didn't have to wave the white flag. It just ended organically. Mr. McGeek says, and that's how Mitch and the gang got charged with insider trading. Yeah, dude. For real. Hey, it would add a little spice to the stream, I guess. I was so wrecked, dude. Oh my god. I was so wrecked on Thursday, man.
Can you look at Windbrowski?
What's up, Big Dag about it? I know, man. That's the 99.99 super chat. Thanks so much. Yeah, well, look at Win. Thank you. I know. Alright, start applying for your local Nokia stores, and then whoever gets the CEO first wins. Or something. When that looked like a bull flag got destroyed. COVID stuff, right? Win resorts. Dude, good luck on any casino stocks. Everything getting destroyed. Leisurely, travel, resort, hotels, all bad lately. Heading on down to 92.41 again, most likely. A major inflection point that you've seen throughout history, 2012. Look at this, 2016, 2019, 2018. It's probably where it's headed. It's probably heading down there. Close to a piercing line today. That's the weekly, sorry.
3,310 made Nokia.
The 3310. I remember those things. Ooh, wow, win on the daily. Hey, remember that time there was a Bartley pattern? It ended up playing out in the end, man. Wow. So if Casey Stubbs, I mean, I don't know how you can Casey Stubbs it when 92.41's there. I mean, if someone was shorting at that level, that would certainly be a profit-taking level. Like, how do you ignore that crazy level support, you know? And then below that is that high back from 2005, and that lines up kind of with C. I mean, like 92.41 profit-taking level and $76 on a short, you know, if you were, right? So when, unfortunately, dude, is unable to make higher highs, deep retrace, then a pullback. So all you can do is hope for a higher low than September of last year before we make a higher low and then rally again. There you go, Victor Man. That's right. Real depression hours when we look at crypto right now. Yep. And you doing Al Scott on again? Soonish. Soon. He's a busy guy, so I don't want to, you know, bother him, but get him on at some point soon. Yep. So that's all the requests. Pretty decent amount of them. The reduction was good. Oh, we look back at Bitcoin on the daily. Again, it's just nothing good. Nothing good. Remember, you're in 23 minutes. Bitcoin's about to have its lowest candle close on the daily since January 1st. Wow, man. So it's been, what, 7 months, 20 days since we've seen a candle close this low before. Wow.
Noise! Mitch, do you buy physical American Gold Eagles also as a hedge against inflation?
No, I just own paper gold, unfortunately. I should, though. I should start. Yeah. I'd go into it more, but I'm not going to. Yeah, I should. It would be responsible to continue to diversify my diversification. I own some. I own more silver than gold, physically. But nice reminder. Yeah, I need to own actual physical gold. Am I spending today, Dropwing? Dude, it's Tuesday, right? Literally a Tuesday, chat. I just worry about spinning once for you, and then it lands on Chug. And then I'm so screwed. Thirsty Tuesday? No, it's Taco Tuesday, not Thirsty Tuesday. Why does Thirsty Thursday sound so much better than Thirsty Tuesday? It's the chew. Because Thirsty Thursday. Yeah. Tuesday, the cheapest day to buy flights. Joker says, nice little fact right there. I can see that. Yeah. You mean Tuesday's the day where you'd want to book flights? But what if you are using Tuesday? Are you saying like it's Saturday and you book a flight for Tuesday, it's cheaper, but you can't do the other way around. You can't on Tuesday book for a Saturday or Friday and it'd be cheaper, right? No, there has to be a Troy. There has to be like a Tuesday, beer Tuesday or something, right? It can be cheaper on Tuesdays. GLD Scotty. Taco Tuesday. You don't even need to change the spelling on it, dude. Turmeric? What is that? What? To learn something? That is a plant, dude. It's a flowering plant. Kiguma longa of the ginger family. Ah, I got you, dude. See where you're at. It's a spice. Oh, it's not. It's a plant, though, dude. It's a plant. Oh my God, y'all broke the jar. It's been a while.
Let's have a shot / excuse the pun. Spinorama, let's go.
I mean, like, the chances of it hitting Chug are so low that I'm like gonna play that chance. It's so rare that it would happen. See, it didn't even happen, dude. So get wrecked. If it did, I'd be a good sport, and that's the small gamble I take, right? Get wrecked, everybody. And then, in before. I can't believe this guy tells everyone to get wrecked, man. Dude, I don't know if you're not paying attention to the partial rise on Bitcoin. Aren't you asking to get wrecked? I mean, I just don't know what to tell you, dude. Dude, it's ugly, man. All significant timescales don't really look good right now on Bitcoin. That's nothing new at all. It's inverse of Amazon, and Amazon is unbelievably bullish looking. Get wrecked, Lemon. I mean, you can try again, right? People can team up and try again, but they're just gonna not get it. Bullish hammer forming on the 2 minute in all caps. Oh my God, dude. Nah, dude. Nah, I don't think so. If anything, we can just sit back and enjoy the nice tunes. Turn that up a little bit. Deep breaths, everyone. Stonks are flying. Bitcoin looks like it's about to go to the basement, dude. But hopefully in the basement it will boot and it will rally and it will come back up. Oh, I thought I already did. I already did. But that was like a year ago. You can't say last time under 30K when we're literally below 30K. That's just not how the meme even works, Adam did. You have to be above it by at least 1 penny. It's funniest the closer to 30K it is. Right, $30,000 and 1 penny is optimum comedy. I think we're good. I think the show has run its course, right? I've overstayed my welcome, chat. We got 16 minutes till close.
Maybe this will get the wheel going for
Thirsty Taco Tuesday.
Or something.
That's what it'll be. Certainly won't be. Dude, I don't know at this point. I'm just like, it's the off season for me, man. Okay? Oh my god, dude. Wow. Wow, man. Unbelievable. Good. Wow.
You see what happens, Larry?
This is what happens when you mess around, you play with fire, and you get wrecked, dude. Well, at least it'll only translate, according to my my high school health book, it will only translate into complete muscle relaxation. So, I mean, joke's on you, I guess. All right, at least, hey, good news, everyone, is it looks like I'll be sticking around for the daily candle close. All right. Yeah, rip for the 375th time. Oh, I thought you were meaning for me, Jeff, because that sounds about right. God. Okay, what should I chug? Should I chug? I have an IPA. Like, that's the only beer I have. I don't have like light beer. I have whiskey. I have wine. I have sparkling, whatever wine or whatever. I have a diverse artillery of weaponry, but for alcohol. But I don't know what to chug. I don't know, whiskey. Yeah, I could do it. It'd probably be easiest, you know. Whiskey shots. Okay, whiskey it is. Okay. Well, I guess the game's on now. I'll be back. Hey, you take the weekend off, right? So deep breaths, chat. Thoughts on Bryce Young? He's already got over $1 million in endorsements, and he's not even started a football game ever. Unreal. Okay, how you doing? How you been doing, man? Alright, shots poured. 12 minutes till the close. All right. Okay, I win. All right, so that's it. Complete muscle relaxation is upon me. A little bit of Irish whiskey, man. Okay. Dude, what is wrong with the freaking stream elements? Hello?
Drunk on a Tuesday. Why not? Spin 19, Mitch.
Sure, but I fear that it won't do it again. Yep, tribute. That's it, dude. Nothing burger. The minute lead? Nah. Shoot the S session? Shoot the S. Shoot the S about things, man. What kind of things? Oh yeah. Netflix had earnings today. It dumped after hours, but it survived, right? It survived. Look, this is what it looked like. Look at this. Got to $496. It was down like almost 6%, and then rallied, and it's just back to close. Like nothing happened. Down $2 from close. No, it's actually up, dude. Marginally up by $3. Wow. Nice. So that means that's a really good sign, man. Because they're what made them drop was that Q3 projection of subscribers, which they had projected 5.5 million. They like think it's only gonna be 3.5 million or something now. That's terrible. So far, man. $200 later and no chugs. Mr. Loaded, dude. There's probably not going to be one more spin, dude, ever again. So the market is too effed. Nine minutes. So you're close. So I guess I'm running out the clock now since I don't owe anything. Everything's good. Oh my god, dude, it's a 5-minute inverse head and shoulders on Bitcoin futures, dude. Oh my god. Not really. Don't worry about it. It's just a joke. That's right, J-Mob. Exactly. No one does that anymore. No one's gotten a 33.33 Belushi in probably like 7 months, 8 months, dude. How's the weather today? Raining. Flood watch. Clouds everywhere, rain everywhere, every day. Dude, I've never seen it rain this much in July where I live in my whole life. Never. I don't expect anything ever, Juan and Billa, nor should you. Because when it goes the other way, it triggers emotional responses. But if we close under 30K, that's really bad, man. I don't care. We close marginally above 30K. To me, dude, it's a zone. It's like 30K to 31K is the zone. It's like I'll feel a lot more comfortable if it gets back above 31K. But really, it's got to make a higher high at some point somewhere and maybe eventually make a higher low. You have so much work to do before you can be bullish. Even if it gets above 30K, 31K, it's still really not good. It's not really good until it breaks back above 35K. Like, I'm talking for real bullish, not Rudy Poo, short term, this is cute. Nah, you want real fireworks, you got to break 35K. Price of birdseed has gone up. That sucks, dude. All those ducks for Tony Soprano. How's it gonna afford them, dude? I don't know. Rain's okay. It's not really depressing to me. Why are we not seeing a major pullback in the last 2 months? In what, PJ? On what? What are you talking about? You talking about Bitcoin? Not as many market participants in this market. Sentiment's dried up. Volatility is dumping, plummeting. That's what happens. It makes swing trading almost impossible. Like, for real. God, I couldn't even imagine, like, day trading it. Jesus. It's kind of like Seattle. I live in fake Seattle. Pseudo Seattle. That's right, dude. What's up, Goombas? Didn't we look at that?
Hey Mitch, hope you're having a good day. Mind having a look at CHR/USDT?
Spin again, dude. Nothing burger. Yeah, I think we looked at CHR today. Right? Yeah. Yes. You could rewind the stream to get another... Where's my work? Oh, oops, wrong chart. Yeah. Below 20, it's just testing 27 cents, which is major support resistance. Major, by the way. There's just such little data on this chart, you know. Ugh. So to me, it's like it bottomed out, you know, kind of M-shaped, rallied above the 200-day moving average. So it's stuck between the 200-day moving average and a support resistance from March. Even the way it looks now, it's not. I mean, it's made a higher high than May 27th, but it's certainly not a higher high than, you know, May 5th or April 12th or March 30th. And I think until you make a true higher low, this is the same low. You can't say there's true accumulation going on. This thing needs to reverse and make a higher low than these two lows down here. So we can say, hey, more market participants in this asset than before. What's up, Michael Parker? Reversing. It's reversing.
Michael Parker tipped $25. Mitch, what do you think about gold/BTC?
It's reversing. So your CHR to USDT until 27 cents is broken. It's not going to see 35 cents. It's not going to see 44 cents. I don't even really know, like here, that's not even much of a real support resistance. That was something I saw on the 4 hour. I mean, that's your zone, man. Look straight down, straight up, straight down, straight up, straight down, straight up, straight down. So anything above 27 cents could very well see 44 cents, right? But it's not above that. It's below it, and it's not being able to break it, and the macro is not good. The asset Bitcoin is not looking good at all, looking terrible. So that's never good. So I'm not sold on anything crypto really right now because of Bitcoin's state or condition. XA Braddock's 27's brother. Dude, I don't think anyone's ever tipped 33.33 exactly in crypto because it's always messed up because of the small
Brad's 27's brother tipped $33.37 in the name of Gavin. 0.018690000 ETH.
Dude, we have a tribute contribution for Gavin. Gavin Crown, dude. The Kang. I'm sorry, dude. It didn't work out. But yeah, 33.33 via Stream Elements. There's a like 8% chance it hits Belushi and you get the wheel spin, so it's like almost double the chances. So I'll see XAU to BTC. I think it broke back above that critical support resistance. Oh yeah, dude. Oh my god, it's testing the 200-day moving average today for the first time since effing September of last year. David's wallet. Sorry, the stream almost is busted right now. It looks so good. Look at this. Look right back here from 2017, dude.
David's wallet tipped $24.24. Can you take a look at Unity? Joining the stream late.
We'll be good. Nothing. So doing some stuff, right? Doing something it hasn't done in almost a year. And once it breaks back above 6.6 cents, straight down, straight up, straight down. Why not straight up again? It could happen, especially the way gold looks on the weekly. You could see this thing outperforming Bitcoin. If Bitcoin's gonna dump, gold looks like it's gonna pump. I could see this thing at 11.3 cents or at least 10 cents again. That's it, dude. My goal. All it has to do is break a couple more resistance points and it's gonna be off, man. Okay, couple of handle-ish, weird, kind of rounding bottom. But discernible handles. Love handles. Okay. Unity, David? What kind of unity, man? What do I think about unity? Unity is what we must have. If we are to progress as a human civilization, we must be united. United we stand, divided we fall. Is that what you were asking? Some advice on unity? There you go, dude. Is that it? Very interesting. Kind of got wrecked on, yesterday. Gapped down, but rallied to bullishly engulf. And has caught some follow the price action. Is back in that zone. Could be forming this crazy inverse head and shoulders now. Hidden bullish divergence in the daily. It's like class C hidden bullish divergence, where you make a low on price, you make a higher low on price, and about the exact same level of negative momentum. So it's not your strongest form of divergence, but it's real, and it's kind of like, dang, man, is this happening? You get back above 102, man, all is well again. Well off that 886 reversal. So it's all about the next week or two pieces of data. You're gonna tell us what we need to know. I think you need to be above 98.70 to 102. You're in the middle of it, so it's not over yet. You're good. A new day has been born. New day has been born. Okay. A new day has been born, man. The lowest candle close on the daily since January 1st. Happy New Year. 7 months, 20 days. Lowest price. Follow the price action after yesterday's bearish engulfing candle, excuse me. Not good, man. Okay. Out of the zone. Out of the range. So bearish. Not bullish. Great, dude. One shot taken. And that's certainly it, dude. Imagine thinking I would be taking more than one shot today. I win. Yeah, Hex was down. Actually, Hex was down 60% from the third profit taking level. Whew. That's why profit taking is a thing, dude. It happens. And it was down 33% from the last time there's profit taking level. So. But you just don't know. You don't know how deep it's going to sell off, how bad it's going to be. But it did pull back multiple times. Blood in the Streets of Narnia, Julia? Maybe? Maybe. Birdseed? Yeah, dude. Stock up on Birdseed. It's great store value. Or something. Will be a channel, downsloping channel. Not really. I don't think we were in a downsloping channel. I think we're. If you're just talking about locally, maybe. Sure. Who cares, dude? Zoom out, man. Look where we are. We did it, man. I made it. Dang, 2-hour live stream. It's been a minute. It's been tough to. Well, it's been since I think Thursday, right? alcohol's involved in my longer streams, I guess. Yeah. Bitcoin, you are the reason I drink. You are the reason I live to forget during this current time. Get wrecked.
Thoughts on the B-Word conference tomorrow with Wood/Dorsey/Elon? Rumors over 50% clean energy requirement by the banned China miners. Tesla has plans to accept BTC again. Spin.
Oh, I have no idea. But I'm not really banking on some meeting between people to change Bitcoin's direction. I mean, if it does, hey, that's awesome. But I have literally no expectation or hope that that would happen at all. Okay.
Spin. Come on, chat.
Oh,
It's
just spin
Thirsty
again,
Taco
connect.
Tuesday. Get it together.
Visual, you got lucky here. Nope, nothing burger. J-Mub, here you go. This one's for you. Easy. Easiest no chug in my life. So you got lucky that one time, and you think you got it now? I don't think so. Thanks, Echo Leaf. Yeah, man, thanks for watching, everyone. Just screwing around now. Just chilling. Just relaxing. Complete muscle relaxation. Still starting to hit me. Had a little sushi today, so... Yeah, crypto. Class, man, sure did. Roblox. Corporation. Yeah, dude, big deal here. Big deal.
Noise!
I'm just gonna refresh the jar at this point. Who cares? If someone comes in
I
to
won't
think...
be surprised if Tesla restarts BTC payments at 24K.
Maybe, dude.
Thirsty Taco Tuesday.
So that's 3 spins right there. Jesus. How did that happen so fast? I'm letting them play so I can refresh because it'll erase them.
Spin Mr. Page Man. Can you look at Matic possible downside targets on daily?
Yeah, hold on a sec. That's
Hey
3.
Mitch, thanks for your consistent hard work with TA. Can you take a look at RBLX? Looks like there is a bullish harmonic at around $71.47 with RSI getting oversold and an okay support.
That's 4 spins. What the...
My other
Alright.
half.
Okay, so I've got someone coming over for minutes.
Spin and get wrecked like Bitcoin.
I'm having some issues with something in my place, so they're just coming by for a second to see, to at least analyze it or whatever, diagnose it, and so you're gonna give me a minute. So that's how many spins? 5 spins? Okay, I owe 5 spins. So like, I'm gonna do it real quick and knock it out. Maybe I'll get these spins done before they're here. They're just a couple minutes away. Okay. Here's 1. Here's 2. There's no way any lands on Chud. Here's 3. Here's 4. You lose. Here's the 5th. Oh man. Sorry to go. Yeah, it goes in the chat. This is incredible. Bullish engulfing candle yesterday. Bullish divergence on the MACD on the daily. Whoa, dude. Whoa. That's really good. And not all on the RSI, but dude, where it is contextually is amazing. Anything on RBLX above $79 is huge. Okay, you hold that. I mean, you could see upside of like 92.90. I mean, you even back tested what was support as support again today and held. So that's really a good thing, even though, yeah, X, A, B, C, D stuff, you could be going down to $68. Anything above $77 to $79 is great, actually, on RBLX. There you go, man. Jazza says the wheel is rigged, but you weren't here on Thursday. Good God. Okay, next one. Hitting the 200-day moving average for the first time since like effing January, early January. Right below, right at a support from May. I think stronger support on Matic's probably going to be down at like 43 cents. So oh, wheels in the way. What? Sorry. Okay. So I don't see anything too bullish right now. Yeah, I mean, you're oversold as F on the daily. Negative some momentum, maybe a waning on the new day right now, but give it another 23 hours and we'll see where we're at. 23 hours, 49 minutes, by the way. So I don't like it. I don't like any of the cryptos right now. It's just they're momentum-driven asset classes, and the momentum is certainly not bullish. You're not making higher highs, higher lows locally at all. You're not doing anything that signifies really nice bullish momentum. Momentum-driven asset class where it's all bearish momentum. Okay, not good for longs. Possible downside targets on the daily. I would think 43 cents. 43 cents seems like the strongest support down there. 43 cents, okay? Get regular Bitcoin, says Jake. Thank you, dude. Well, that's it. That's right, David said he's seen the wheel destroy me, where he thought it was rigged the other way. It has a mind of its own, exactly. What's up, the unwise?
Hey Mitch. Thanks for always being here. Have a spin.
Bruh. Alright, dude. Here's your spin. Go. Spinner drinks have started. Yeah, I mean, I don't know. There's not enough, man. Like, I just, Thursday was like it happens. Like when the chat smells blood, they get me. But when my luck's too good, like it has already been, like, bad luck on the second spin, I get a gulp or a chug. But like since then, it's been nothing, right? So it's just tough to keep the momentum going. Like, complete muscle relaxation, but I can't even remember what the health book said on the second shot. You know what I'm saying? So, you'll have time though. Because the stream, I'm gonna keep the stream on while I deal with this issue. And then, I'll be back like soon. So it's like in worst case scenario, you hear some really good music and you see some live charts and whatever. The stream goes on longer than 2 hours. Win, 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 win. Okay, I will be right back. So hang tight if you want. You can leave too. But you know, we'll see how many wheel spins or how many 0 wheel spins exist when I get back. So hang tight.
Started. Smiley face.
Hey, what's up? Sorry. What is that? Okay. Hello? What, a little bounce? 3? I mean, that's obviously not going to be a chug. Ooh, y'all be getting wrecked. Y'all are playing. Nope. That's it, dude. So you had your chance. It's all good. Bitcoin 29.7 and doesn't look good. Negative momentum continuing to build on the new day. No real formal support below ya. Best of luck, because next time I see ya, who knows where Bitcoin's gonna be at below this critical 30K, 31K. All right, man. Hopefully you enjoyed the music. Some of the analysis today, not this market. So I'll just be back. Bruh. Thanks for the likes, love, support, contributions, everything in between, the attempts in my life. Just be careful. Proceed with caution. Till next time. Respect the T. Hey.
And then, just like that,
Bitcoin going to zero.
Adios, turd nuggets.